morning, UpNexa family and beyond. AJ Levitt here. Busy morning on a Tuesday. We got the install over at SaGhar in Port Jeff. 6-7 terminals, ready to get them rocking and rolling, saving money with the cash discount program compliantly and helping them get chip compliant. They got some old micros in there. We put some terminals on the side for now. Really excited to get them going. Great business, beautiful place. Just wait till you see where we're going to be at.